Click on your account. Click on Policies. Policies allows an organization to define a number of standard values or information. For each new campaign, a policies record is assigned, and the policy information used to populate a campaign with default information. HR Selector allows multiple policies to be defined. Policies can be company, division, or department specific. Policies can also be role specific. For example, if the role involved shift work, the hours could be specified within a policies record. On registration, a default policies record was created. To edit the default policy, click on the edit icon. The policies record is grouped into a number of sections. Assign the policy a suitable name. If required, enter notes to describe the policy. The role section covers information that is used when defining a role. Hours. If the organization has standard working hours, enter the details. Benefits. If the organization has standard benefits, enter the details. Holidays. Enter any details for the organization's standard holiday entitlement. Questionnaires section. Enter the standard information to display to applicants, if a PIN number is assigned to a questionnaire. References section. Set the number of references each applicant will normally be expected to provide. Select the form that an applicant's former employer will be asked to complete if they have agreed to provide a reference. Select the form to be completed by people who have agreed to provide an applicant with a personal reference. Select the form that will be used for academic references. Enter standard instructions to the applicants, advising them of what types of references will be acceptable. Sourcing section. Enter standard information to be used in job advertisements. This could be, for example, standard text about a company, division, or department. Offers section. The Offers section allows an organization to customize the HR Selector standard text to inform candidates who are made provisional offers as to the procedure that will be used to confirm and formalize the offer. The Terms and Conditions section allows the organization to customize the HR Selector standard text to inform the candidates of the terms and conditions of the provisional offer. Expiry days allows the organization to specify the standard number of days before provisional offers expire. Click Save. OK. Policies can be copied using the copy icon.